Hello everybody, my name is Mike Loscialpo. I'm the founder of Loscialpo Law PLLC, a law firm dedicated to small business and estate planning. Today I want to talk to you about why we founded the revolutionary Peace of Mind for Business Plan program to help our small business clients with much needed legal services. In early 2022, I became a proud LegalZoom network attorney. What that means is that I was able to provide the attorney consultations 30 minutes at a time for business clients. These are clients who are new to the business world, relatively speaking, and they form their limited liability company through LegalZoom, which is a service where you pay a small monthly fee, and for hundreds of dollars a year, you could form an LLC, you can, or a corporation, you can have access to a library of do-it-yourself legal forms that were written by attorneys, and you could get these 30-minute consultations, as many as you need, depending on your plan level, with a licensed attorney in the state that you're dealing with for your business. But what I quickly found was that in these consultations, as I helped small business owners navigate various legal questions and requirements, I found that when we got off the phone, these folks were just basically left to fend for themselves after I answered their questions. For example, they would ask me, well, do I need contracts? Well, of course, I would say, you need customized contracts that are specifically tailored to your business so that you don't have issues if you need to deal with a certain issue that comes up with a client. And they say, well, where do I get them? And the only thing I was able to do at that point, because we couldn't provide legal services, was to say, well, you need to retain an attorney. And they say, well, how much does that cost? And I say, it depends on the law firm. These people had to basically either choose between retaining a law firm, which would bill them by the hour, maybe $400 plus per hour in this day and age, maybe even more, or pay flat fees of thousands upon thousands for every little legal issue. And most, entrepreneurs don't have that kind of a budget. And so what do? They resort to do-it-yourself forms and trying to do their own legal research, and that's where they get into trouble, and they may make bad decisions that might cost them dearly or even put them out of business soon thereafter. Answers to legal question, but doesn't actually provide the legal service to back it up. So one day, a thought came into my mind, and I said, well, what if we, my firm, can be that catalyst for change and provide this service that was so desperately needed? So that's when I came up with the concept of Peace of Mind for Business. While the idea for Peace of Mind for Business was born, we had to then figure out how to make this financially beneficial for our clients, where they could actually easily budget services throughout the year for general counsel services, while also making it fiscally, profitable and cost effective for our firm to be able to deliver quality service with quality attorneys and prompt service and personalized service at the same time. So what we did was we packaged together various different services that a small business could need throughout the year. And we came up with multiple plan options depending upon the stage in which that company was in at the time they enroll. For example, if they're just a startup and they're not really going to be conducting a lot of business in the first year, they can go with a more basic plan. If they're a growing company and they have plans for expansion and growth, they can go with a plan that affords them an opportunity to get growth type of services. If they've already grown and they're expanding even more and now they're trying to get even bigger, they even have a bigger plan with more options in it.